All right, we got two of our buddies coming with us today. We got our buddy Jerry on his 200X, and we got our buddy Aaron. Long time since we've been on a ride together, but I'm very excited for it, guys. We're going to Purple Pit. It's a known local pit here in Newfoundland. Come join and have a laugh, guys. All right, we just got to the spot here, sweating, so the shirts are off, tarps off for the boys. Gonna unload the bikes here now. Ron's all suited up. Jerry's undoing his bike, so let's get to it. Got the old Ron Cito. Got Jerry on the go. He's been driving dirt bikes all his life. This is my first time ever being on the track. Staying away from the jumps a little bit, just getting used to the bike. I'm not a big track rider, but I fucking love it. It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying. The master Choicito rider. He bottomed out, boy! He bottomed her out that time, boys. That's the ride. Nice little run though, stretch the legs. First time for me ever in a pit. Look at the arms, you can see the veins. Oh, you took steroids or you're out riding the dirt bike all day?
Really not even, all I'm doing is just, man, ow.
Yeah, it's my first experience in a pit ever. We'll have to come by and like shovel it one day.
Yeah, we need.
Cause like I can't even hit jump.
No.
Like that jump over there is fucked for me. That jump is
fucked.
Yeah, literally I can't hit nothing. But super fun learning experience, even just to be around a pit. I've never done it before.
It's different on a dirt bike because you can literally hit anything.
Everything.
You know? Hit that big gap on the way out now.
You won't. What a laugh it's been, guys. It's honestly my first pit experience on the new CRF. I hope you guys enjoy the little bit of footage that I got from the day out with my good buddy Ron and Jerry. It's a cool experience getting out, just doing some drop-offs, hitting some jumps, getting used to everything, not getting too much air, but just getting used to everything. I appreciate all you guys tuning in. Hope you liked the video. Me and Ron and Jerry will definitely be back in the near future with some more trike videos. Jerry got a conversion being built and so does Ron, so we'll all be on the trike soon enough, guys. Appreciate you. Ride safe and dangerous.